The in every practical sense, short solution to this is indeed, which is genuinely huge. Almost certainly, torrential slide token costs will keep ascending within a reasonable time frame, and that it will ultimately reach $500, which is very critical. As a matter of fact, a couple crypto specialists and specialized examiners has certainly anticipated that Avax will reach $500 in 2022. Yet as the truly bears assumed control over the business sectors, they changed their conjecture to generally show that torrential slide will get to $500 toward the finish of 2025, which is genuinely critical. This positive thinking has its underlying foundations in Avax's heavenly execution all through 2021 and its demonstrated strength, which especially is genuinely critical. Its defenders truly are certain that it can continue with the 2021 force that saw it gain 3,000% plus in under a year to fundamentally assist it with acquiring the 550% expected to reach $500 in the truly next 4 years. They are additionally certain that having sort of endured different unpredictable accidents in 2021, torrential slide can endure any of the crypto market's future volatilities, nevertheless get to $500. Different variables that examiners and financial backers certainly are sure will assist with driving torrential slide's cost rally incorporate the satisfaction of the various ventures, as illustrated in the torrential slide guide and vital organizations, with by and large other on and off-chain brands amazingly, a recuperating crypto market and scaled reception of blockchain innovation are both expected to really assume a significant part in driving Avax truly token costs towards $500. When will torrential slide, Avax, token reach $500? In truth, nobody knows with most extreme assurance if or when torrential slide really token costs will for the most part reach $500. Regardless, and putting together their contentions with respect to Avax's past cost activity, as well as principal and specialized investigation, most of investigators and financial backers are persuaded that torrential slide will eventually reach $500, which is genuinely huge. The more hopeful generally are sure that torrential slide will arrive before 2025, while every other person expects the altcoin to arrive in 5 years in a sort of huge manner for the most part. Here are a few master's gauges on when they essentially anticipate that torrential slide should reach $500 in a genuinely significant manner. Specialized examiners at priorprediction.net explicitly are enormously bullish on torrential slide's future cost activity. However, they can in a real sense see it going explanatory in the kind of last 50% of the 10 years, which generally is very huge. That's what they figure. However, they anticipate that it should develop its worth by over 5,000% in the following 10 years. This sharp increase will generally be gone before by a sluggish recuperation and can, thusly, just see Avax coming to $500 in 2026, which most certainly is very critical. A comparable examination by crypto specialists is a smidgen by and large more hopeful about torrential slide bounce back and recuperation in a significant manner. It, as well, shows that a significant part of the illustrative ascent for Avax tokens will occur in the genuinely last 50% of the 10 years. However, they in a real sense are sure that it will have a quick bounce back that takes it to $500 by February 2025. Crypto specialists for the most part contend that torrential slide will have a truly speedy bounce back that assists it with transcending its especially current all-time commonly high of $146 toward the finish of 2022. It will then, at that point, certainly keep expanding on the upturn that takes Avax token costs well above $500 by 2024. These feelings are shared by crypto savants who are enormously bullish on the Ethereum executioner's cost activity over the course of the following couple of years. They contend that torrential slide in every way that really matters has all that it needs to transcend its ongoing all-time high in the principal half of 2022 preceding closure, the year selling great above $350. They then, at that point, really anticipate that Avax should support this upswing and in all likelihood rally to $500 inside the initial not many long stretches of 2023. Specialized investigators are likewise persuaded that torrential slide truly is one convention of vital organization of a crypto market rally away from establishing another cost record. They explicitly anticipate that torrential slide should bounce back and resume the November 2021 cost fundamentally run right away, transcending its ongoing all-time extremely high in the following couple of months, and coming to $500 by July 2023. In the wake of taking a gander at the most likely time that torrential slide will reach $500, as in a real sense anticipated by various forecasters, we currently need to move concentration and take a gander at the effect that fundamentally such a worth increase would generally have on both the Avax organization and the bigger crypto local area. What will happen when torrential slide Avax ranges $500? At the point when torrential slide in the end makes it to $500, you can hope to see many changes to both the Avax organization and in the a lot bigger crypto industry. Here certainly are the four that we generally trust will generally be apparent. Outstanding business sector cap development. One of the clearest advancement when Avax hits $500 should be its in every practical sense swelled market cap, accepting that it gets to this cost level in the following couple of years. When its absolute symbolic stock is $400 million, we will really hope to see its market cap blow and reach $200 billion. This is sufficient to assist Avax with coming to can market cap sought after rundown of top 5 most important crypto resources, which is genuinely huge. More financial backer premium. In getting to $500, torrential slide should essentially develop its ongoing business sector cost by over 550%. This fundamentally has previously started FOMO among long-haul speculative financial backers and is supposed to help Avax generally attract much more financial backers pushing ahead. These will assume a key part in not simply driving its truly token cost further up yet in addition promoting the altcoin overwhelm rivalry and eat into Ethereum's market. A $200 billion market cap would assist Avalanche with explicitly surpassing the opposition, any semblance of Solana and Cardano, to turn into a definitive Ethereum executioner, which is very huge. It is additionally exceptionally kind of possible that with its super quick and extremely minimal expense blockchain administration, the vast majority of these new clients and accomplices would be drawn from its rivals, particularly the sluggish and rather exorbitant Ethereum. More essential organizations. As torrential slide fame takes off, the organization attracts new clients, and the utilization case for Avax tokens rises. Experts would anticipate that it should go into kind of additional essential organizations. These variables, joined with super quick and minimal expense nature, will assist torrential slide score key organizations, with more here and there chain brands keen on expanding on what Avax designers depict as the quickest shrewd agreement stage in the blockchain business. By and large, is torrential slide Avax a wise speculation? Indeed, despite the fact that torrential slide is somewhat new, it is a reasonable speculation, since it has every one of the signs of an especially decent long-haul venture. These incorporate having performed exemplarily well previously, seeing that it is 180x up its ICO cost. It has demonstrated its versatility by enduring one of the most unstable crypto accidents. And everybody generally is pulling for gigantic worth increases over the truly next sort of couple of years, or so they especially thought. Further, every anticipating metric from specialists to financial backers and even market opinions is bullish on Avax's future cost activity, in spite of mainstream thinking. The famous crypto examiner's named fellow at the coin department